Hello and welcome to this tutorial video where I'm going to show you how to use some of the new features on the Wellmedic program and some of the adjustments that we've made. So the main adjustment that we've now made is that we've condensed everything into what's called the AKT package, which means that you'll get access to our AKT courses, and additionally you'll also get access to our AKT question bank and our AKT revision guides as well. So to access these features, what you need to do is click onto this button here on your home screen, which is the My Account button, and it will then prompt you to log in with your email address and your password. Once you've logged in, you'll see this screen here, and what you need to do is you need to click onto Course Profile or Courses Profile. Once you click onto Courses Profile, you will see all of the courses that you are signed up for. So within the AKT package, you should see your mock course, you should see your statistics course, you'll see your admin course, and you'll see your AKT preparation course. Now, I'm not going to go through all of those courses in this video and how to use them. If you go onto our YouTube channel, you'll be able to see all of the courses that we run, and you'll get a tutorial into how to make the best of each course. The purpose of this video is to just show you the two new features which are here. So we have a question bank and we have our revision guides as well. So in terms of, if we start off with the revision guides, that's probably the best thing to do. So for the revision guides, what we've done is we have gone through the RCGP curriculum and we've made a list of all the topics that are covered within the RCGP curriculum, and then we've made a guide to highlight them. Now, as you can see from this video, and this will change as the year goes on, but we have 10 areas that have been completed fully. So these are the broader areas within the curriculum, so that's why we've gone with them first, and then some of the smaller areas will be coming later. So if we just focus on, let's say, dermatology, for example, if I click onto that, you'll see a full list of all the dermatological conditions that are included within the RCGP curriculum. Some of them will be symptomatic, such as pruritus without a rash, and if you click onto that, you'll see that there's a good list of different causes of pruritus, whether that's generalized or localized, what type of investigations that you need to do, when do you need to consider cancer, medications that you might use, or management that you might consider as well. So these are all view only. You can't print them, you can't copy them. That's for us to secure our assets as well. Now, if you go back to dermatology, you can then go to other areas as well. We cover some infectious diseases within dermatology as well, such as syphilis and Lyme's disease, intertrigo, bacterial skin infections, and so on. And the whole idea of these guides is to help you apply your knowledge. If I can click onto another area, let's say we go into metabolic and endocrinology, which is a really big area of the exam. Again, you can see lots and lots of areas to focus on, everything from electrolyte disturbances to specific diseases such as acromegaly. So we've linked this to the RCGP curriculum. So that's all done. I've showed you how to use the revision guides. You can also search as well. So let's say there's a specific topic that you want to think about. Let's say I am looking for hypertension. So if you search for the keyword hypertension, what will happen is you'll get a list of different conditions that are included for hypertension. So it's not just going to be hypertension, but of course you'll find hypertension within this loop, but there it is. But all of these other conditions are linked to hypertension. So there's lots and lots of things to read about, even when it comes to hypertension, such as alcohol use and the implications of SSRIs in pregnancy. All of these guides have something to do with hypertension. So as you can see, if you want to broaden out your knowledge, there's lots of search facilities that can assist you in there as well. Okay, so now we're going to go back to the question bank tool. So if you go back to this courses profile, that's where you'll find everything that you need to know in terms of how to access the guides. And if you click onto your question bank here, you then get access to the question bank. So again, the question bank, there's areas that are still coming soon, depending on when you're using that. Hopefully before the end of 2024, we'll have all the areas ready. As soon as the guides are done, you'll get the questions corresponding them as well. So if we go to metabolic and endocrinology, which is over here, then you will see under this section, we have 277 questions that should appear. So let's just use one as an example. Let's say within here, we want to answer this question. So all you have to do is you click onto the question that you want to answer. So let's say that is this one here. So I'm just going to take a guess, well, an educated guess. So that will be celiac disease. What will happen is you will get an explanation as to why that is the answer. And then if you actually click onto this button below, you'll get a direct guide to the corresponding revision guide for that question as well. So if we go back to my account here and we try a different question, so again back to question bank, let's say this time we're going to do mental health, then you'll see our mental health questions. So let's say pick a good question. Let's say here, so you got a patient, again, nocturnal enuresis is covered there. Let's say, I'm trying to find a good one to show you. Let's say eating disorders. Okay, so we're going to go with hypotension here. And then what happens is you'll get your guide for for eating disorders. Click onto that, and then you will be taken away to your screen, which will then show you information on various types of eating disorders, features to consider, treatment for bulimia, treatment for anorexia, treatment for binge eating disorders, and then in a table, we've got the complications of eating disorders there as well by systems, and then the effect that you can expect in anorexia and in bulimia. All right, so I hope you found that helpful. I hope it kind of summarizes how to use the course. And if you've got any questions, feel free to either leave a comment in the video or email us at sham@wellmedic.co.uk, and we'll do our best to help. Thank you.